In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and relink missing photos in Lightroom Classic. This is a common issue that many photographers encounter, especially when files have been moved, renamed, or stored on external drives that have become disconnected. But fear not, because tackling this problem is straightforward, and I'll walk you through each step to ensure your photo library is fully optimized and complete. First, let's start in the Library module. Here, navigate to the top menu and select Library, and then click on Find All Missing Photos. By doing this, Lightroom will scan your catalog to identify and reveal all the photos that cannot currently be located. It's crucial to undertake this step in order to understand the scope of the issue, as the program will display all these missing images for you in one convenient place to address them. Next, switch to the grid view, where you can visually take stock of your images. As you scroll through, pay close attention to any thumbnails that have an exclamation mark in the upper right corner. This indicates a missing photo, which Lightroom recognizes with the Photo is Missing icon. Alternatively, if you're in the Develop module, the message "The file could not be found" will appear, signaling the same issue. It's essential to identify these indicators so you know exactly which files need to be relinked. Now, you have identified your missing photos. The next step is to resolve this. Click on the icon of the missing photo. You can also right-click the thumbnail and select Show in Finder if you're on a Mac, or Show in Explorer if you're on a Windows PC. A dialog box will pop up showing you the last known location of that particular file. Lightroom will prompt you to locate the image, which brings us to the next crucial phase. Click on Locate, and a File Explorer window will open. Here, you need to browse your computer or connected drives to find where the file currently resides. This step might require some investigation on your part, especially if you recently moved or renamed your photo files. Once you have found the file in its new location, select it to relink it to Lightroom. Depending on your system, you'll either click Select or choose to complete the process. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've successfully relinked your missing photos in Lightroom Classic. Keeping your files organized and ensuring that Lightroom knows exactly where each photo is helps streamline your editing workflow and prevents future disruptions. Happy editing!